Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 14th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. Pan American Day. Pan American Day is an observance celebrated in several countries across North and South America on April 14th each year. The day commemorates the founding of the Pan American Union, which took place on April 14, 1890. The Pan American Union was established to encourage cooperation, diplomacy, and unity among the nations of the Americas. It later evolved into the Organization of American States, OAS, which now has 35 member countries. Pan American Day aims to foster a sense of unity and collaboration among the nations of the Americas, promote cultural exchange, and emphasize the shared values and goals of the region. The day is marked by various events, such as conferences, meetings, and cultural programs that showcase the diversity and achievements of the American continent. Schools, institutions, and diplomatic missions often organize events to celebrate the day. International Moment of Laughter Day. International Moment of Laughter Day is celebrated annually on April 14th. The purpose of this day is to encourage people to laugh and enjoy the numerous benefits that laughter brings to our lives. Humorist and motivational speaker Izzy Gazelle is credited with creating this observance to promote the positive effects of laughter on well-being, stress reduction, and overall happiness. On International Moment of Laughter Day, people are encouraged to share jokes, funny stories, or engage in activities that bring about laughter and joy. Laughter is known to have multiple health benefits, such as reducing stress, boosting the immune system, and releasing endorphins, which can help to elevate one's mood. Celebrating International Moment of Laughter Day can be as simple as watching a funny movie, attending a comedy show, or sharing jokes and humorous anecdotes with friends and family. The main goal of this day is to spread happiness and remind people of the importance of incorporating laughter into their daily lives. National Dolphin Day. National Dolphin Day is observed annually on April 14th. This day is dedicated to raising awareness about dolphins, their importance in the ecosystem, and the need for their conservation. Dolphins are intelligent, social marine mammals found in oceans and seas all around the world. They face various threats, including pollution, habitat loss, and entanglement in fishing nets. On National Dolphin Day, people are encouraged to learn more about these fascinating creatures and participate in activities that promote their conservation. National Donate a Book Day. National Donate a Book Day is not an officially recognized or widely celebrated holiday. However, the idea of promoting book donations and supporting literacy is a noble cause. You can choose any day to encourage people in your community to donate books to local schools, libraries, or nonprofit organizations focused on education and literacy. Organizing a book drive or encouraging others to donate books can help provide valuable resources to those in need, promote a love for reading, and support literacy initiatives. Donating gently used or new books can make a significant impact on underprivileged communities or individuals who may not have easy access to reading materials. National Gardening Day. National Gardening Day is celebrated annually on April 14th. This day encourages people to engage in gardening activities and to appreciate the benefits and joys that gardening can bring. Gardening is not only a relaxing and enjoyable hobby but also contributes to a healthy lifestyle, a connection with nature, and a source of fresh produce. On National Gardening Day, people are encouraged to get involved in gardening activities, regardless of their skill level or available space. This can include planting flowers, vegetables, or herbs, tending to existing gardens, or even starting a small container garden on a balcony or windowsill. It's also an opportunity to share gardening tips and knowledge with others, helping to inspire and educate novice gardeners. Gardening has numerous benefits, including stress reduction, physical exercise, and improved mental health. National Gardening Day serves as a reminder of these benefits and encourages people to take part in and enjoy this rewarding activity. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.